Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on the Bitrix24. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to write the name. So as you can see, I've written the name. So simply what we have to do, simply we need to go to this Bitrix. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we need to wait a few seconds and it will be open. So as you can see now it's here. Now simply what we have to do, I'm going to click on accept this and let's click on the login. And if you have created an already account, so we have to click on the login. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, now simply what we have to do, I'm going to click on the Google. So let's click on the continue with Google. And now we have to choose the email address from here. So as you can see, now simply we need to select the email. So I'm going to choose this email. Let's click on it. So let's choose this. And we need to click on the continue again. And let's click on the continue. So as you can see, now our account is created. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the register for free. So let's click on this. And as you can see, now it's loading. We have to wait a few seconds until it loads. And let's click on the go to Bitrix24. So as you can see, our account is created. So in this way, you can create your Bitrix24 account. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.